Welcome to a journey through 13 stunning spaces that blend comfort with nature. Let's explore these inspiring designs that transform everyday living into an art form. This intimate outdoor corner features a towering fireplace wrapped in climbing ivy, creating a dramatic architectural focal point. It provides the perfect cozy atmosphere for enjoying cool evenings by the fire in solitude. Up on the rooftop, this spacious dining area is defined by a lush green wall and a sleek, long wooden table. It offers an ideal setting for large gatherings under the open sky while maintaining total privacy. This dining room embraces minimalism with a dark wood table and velvet green chairs that mirror the vibrant moss wall outside. The floor-to-ceiling glass visually dissolves the barrier between the interior luxury and the garden. Bathed in natural light, this curved breakfast alcove boasts ribbed wood paneling and a picture window framing a fern garden. It creates a serene and textured space to start your day connected to greenery. Nestled in a glass corner, this window seat is accessorized with plush pillows and indoor plants to match the forest outside. It is an idyllic reading nook that makes you feel completely suspended in nature. Even a compact balcony can be luxurious, as seen here with a textured stone cladding and modern bistro set. The glass railing ensures an unobstructed view, creating a lovely perch for morning coffee above the city. Bright and airy, this rooftop corner pairs a wooden sectional with vibrant blue cushions and rustic pottery. The addition of ornamental grasses adds movement and a touch of Mediterranean flair to the space. We hope these beautiful environments have sparked ideas for your own home renovation or decoration projects. Thank you for watching, and let nature inspire your next design choice.